Okay, children, here the next problem is Ruhi travels 300 kilometers. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and bus separately. Here in this problem we need to find the speed of train and speed of bus separately. So let us take speed of train as x kilometer per hour, speed of train as x kilometer per hour, and the speed of bus as y kilometer per hour, So here there are two conditions. Say it travels completely 300 kilometers per day, partly by bus, partly by train. She takes, in first there are two conditions. Let us take condition number 1. Condition number 1, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train. By train, distance covered is 60 kilometer. Distance covered is 60 kilometer and the speed is, we know that it is x kilometer per hour. Speed is x kilometer per hour, and remaining by bus, out of 300 kilometer, remaining by bus means 300 minus 60. So distance covered is 240 kilometer. 240 kilometer by bus, and speed here, speed we have taken bus as y kilometer per hour. Y kilometer per hour. Together they have taken 4 hours. So it means we have to calculate 2 times here. So T1 is equals to, that is by train, T1 is equals to distance divided by speed. So this is equals to 60 by x kilometer, and T2, that is by bus, that is T2 is equals to distance 240 divided by y. Together T1 and T2 together she takes 4 hours. So 60 divided by x plus 240 divided by y is equals to 4 hours. So this is our first equation. In the same way, let us take the second condition, condition number 2. Let us take the condition number 2. In condition number 2, train, by train. In second condition, remaining by bus. See, if she travels 100 kilometer by train, so distance covered is 100 kilometer. Distance covered is 100 kilometer. Again the speed is x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour, and the by bus, remaining by bus, remaining distance means 300 minus 100 is 200 kilometer. Then the speed is y kilometer per hour. Y kilometer per hour. So again there are 2 times here. So T1 is equals to distance divided by speed. So distance is 100 kilometer, speed is x kilometer, and T2 is, distance is 200 kilometer and speed is y kilometer. Together these two that is a T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2, how much time they are going to take? They takes, remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer of what? 4 hours. 10 minutes longer of 4 hours. So we have to convert this minutes to hours. So it becomes 4 plus 10 by 60. So this is equals to, T1 is 100 by x plus T2 is 200 by y is equals to, simplify this one, 64s are 240, 240 plus 10, 250 by 60, 0 get cancels, it is 25 by 60. So it is 100 by x plus 200 by y is equals to 25 by 6. So this is our equation number 2. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. To solve them for x and y, to solve these two equations for x and y, we have to reduce them to the standard equations of pair of linear equations in two variables. So I will take here 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Then first equation becomes 60a plus 240b, 240b is equals to 4 hours. This is equation number 3. And next equation is 100a plus 200b is equals to 25 by 6 hours. This is equation number 4. It is equation number 4. Let us solve these two equations simultaneously. To solve these two equations simultaneously, here I will multiply this third equation by 100 and this fourth equation by 60. If I multiply first equation by 100, then it becomes 6000a plus 240 into 100 is 24,000 b. 24,000 b is equals to 400. And second equation becomes by 60, so here it is again 6,000 a plus 12,000 b is equals to 25 by 60 into 25 by 6 into 60. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 tens are 10 into 25 is 250. If we solve these two equations by elimination method, here I got both the variables are same. So this is equals to, if I solve these two simultaneously, here I will solve these two by changing the sign, minus minus. Here 6,000a 6,000a get cancels. 24,000 minus 12,000 is 12,000 b is equals to 400 minus 250 is 150. So 12,000 b is equals to here 150. So b is equals to 150 divided by 12,000. Here 10 get cancels. 15 ones are 15 8s are 120. So it is 80s are. So b is equals to 80. B is equals to 80. It means b we have taken here 1 by y. So 1 by y is equals to b. 1 by y is equals to b, that is 80 kilometers. So y is equals to 1 by 80. Y is equals to 1 by 80. Substitute this value of in any one of the equation to get the value of b. Here we will get, so here children, so we got b is equals to 1 by 80. So 1 by y is equals to 1 by 80, y is equals to 80. So to get the value of a, substitute this in any one of the equation. To calculate y, here I will substitute that one in any one of the equation. Here to calculate x, so here it is, the first equation is, in this equation I will substitute 100 by x plus, here it is a 200 divided by 80 is equals to 25 by 6. Here 0 get cancels. 4 2s are 4 5s are. So 100 by x is equals to 25 by 6 minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Simplify this one again. So 100 by x is equals to 100 by x is equals to LCM is 12. 12, here it is 2s are 25, 2s are 50 minus 2 3s are 6, it is 15. 2 3s are 6, so 5 3s are 15. So 100 divided by x is equals to 35 by 12. Cross multiply this one, then you will get the value of x. So 100 into 12 divided by 35 is equals to x. Simplify this one. So we will get the value of x as, so children, here we got the speed of bus as 80 km per hour. So to calculate a speed of train, here I will take the equation number 3, that is 60a plus 240b, b value is 1 by 80 into 1 by 80 is equals to 4. So 0 0 get cancels, 8 1s are 8 3s are, so 60a is equals to 4 minus 3, a is equals to 1 by 60, a is equals to 1 by 60. So here a is what? 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to 1 by 60. So x is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. So C travels with a speed of train 60 kilometer per hour, and by bus how much it is? 80 kilometer per hour, children. This is how we can solve the problems by using the pair of linear equations by reducing them to standard form. Thank you.